next project. We over here on 13th Street Northwest. We got sod installation and stepping stones paver installation. So on this yard, it was tired of trying to grow grass and manage the weeds. As you can see, it's all weeds here. So what we're gonna do is remove all the existing weeds and grass and install sod. Also, they wanted to put stepping stones coming from here on over to the side part of the yard. So we're gonna do that for them as well. Stay tuned. SNL Services. Sod installation. Alright, progress is happening. We got all our grass removed. Just gotta scrape up a little bit more. Take out this last pile. And we got sod getting installed over here. We're putting some new topsoil on top to get the grass a better chance at growth. And we laying down our sod. Sod installation, 13th Street Northwest. Alright, sod job almost complete. Almost complete. As you can see, we added some pavers on both sides. We didn't come up with this design, we let the homeowners come up with it. I'm not that mad at it. I would have did it a little differently, but this is how they wanted it. No problem. So, sod is installed. And all we got left is about 6-7 more pieces on the other side. Sod looking good, green, lush, brand new yard for the homeowners on the way.